Hey guys, Awesome Piggy 44 here, and today, look what I have. A Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I'm going to be doing like a tutorial on this, but for now I just want to do a solve. So yep, let's do this. Scramble it up. Sorry if it's like too big. Yeah. So I'm going to solve it. Okay, let's do this. I do it faster than this. It's just I don't want to go that fast, so you can, like, see it. Okay. We're doing good progress so far. I'm almost done with the second layer. Okay. Okay, now I just need to match the edges. And yeah, completed it. And besides, this is Rubik's brand. This is bad. So, hope you like this video. And, yeah, just click that like button. Subscribe if you want to. So, anyway, yeah. Bye.